Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
I miss you so much.
I miss you so much.
You sing happy birthday. Happy birthday
Birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Tonton.
I love you.
I love you.
Hi, Tonyo. Happy birthday. God bless you. Amping kanunay. Oh, usa pa ba akong i-greet ani ha. Amping kanunay, amping ang lawas. O salamat sa tanan.
Hi! 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 Anyway, Ton, Anthony, ka-birthday, uhahay. Dear, happy birthday. Wala ko ikastorya, pero happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Kanta na lang ko. Happy birthday to you. Anyways, happy birthday, Anthony, ka-birthday, the uhahay boy. Enjoy your day, your special day, your birthday, and every day. May you go straight. May you have a blast and a wonderful day today. My goodness! Bitaw, oy. Kanang, amping ka diha per me. Kanang, always pray to God, to the Lord. Always be grateful, to be thankful. Grateful to be thankful. Anyway, bitaw, oy, na-pressure ko as in. Pero, kabalo ko nga, basta ikaw, basta na chocolate. Panikamutan dyan ako nito. Balo ka na ikaw. Na ako ikauban din pero naulaw ko. Bitaw, oy, happy birthday and amping diha for me. See you soon. Bye!
Hello, Tito Tonton. Kumusta? Happy birthday to you.
Ton, happy birthday. Happy birthday kaayo. Bitaw to na happy birthday bitaw. Kanang pag-ayo-ayo diha kay namang kasalayo. Dayon, dili mamayot. Magbinuutan ka, laban lang para sa pamilya. Dayon, salamat kaayo sa tanang kaayo.
Happy birthday, Tito Tonton. Thank you sa sapatos.
Oh, sige na, babay na.
Hi, Nyo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday!
Yes. More blessings to come sa imuha. Dayon, parunga jud panit na mga baka dira nyo. Dayon, kadang nami regalo sa imong kuya. Nagkapiang-piang gid in town may kuha atong regaluha para gid sa imuha. Ako ipakita after na mo ani ha. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Watch out.
Yes man, sa pag-usap, ginashoutout ako si Tonton from Australia. Happy birthday sa imuha. God bless always, og amping kanunay. Uhahay, happy birthday sa pag-usap.
Hi, Dad. Giandam jud ko digo kay one week ko ning sulat ha. Pero wag ko digo lang ko kay kabalo nakadali kay mo tulo akong luha. So here, listen carefully. Happy birthday to the most wonderful man I know. Dad, you filled my life with so much love and joy. And I'm so thankful for every moment we've shared together. You're not just my husband, but you're my best friend, my kabarki, my katagay, my partner in crime. And you are my everything. Siyempre, you are the papa of my 2 little dragon. Kaya nung ka before, katong mo pa'y pagsugod na to. Grabe kalisod. Problema dire, problema dito. For God is good all the time. Wala ta niya pasagda eh. Kasi duha ta yung sukol sa problema. Sugod na akong duha. Yabot. Karon dad, easy na lang kaayo. Nato, di ba? Kasi may agi na ta atong to the highest level nga problema. Kanang magsige na lang ko. Hilak. Sige na lagi hilak sa kakapoy. Kakapoy mo atubang og problema. Pero basic lang sa Ginoong gihimutan niyang mas ligon. Para og moabot ning panahon nga maglagyo ta, kaya na to i-handle atong kaugalingon. Dad, I hope that this year brings you all success and happiness you deserve. Tungod sa imong kahugi para sa atong pamilya. Dad, I love you so much. More than words can say. And I'm so grateful to have you in my life. Cheers to many more birthdays together. We miss you so much. Enjoy your special day. Sayang, wala mi dira, but it's okay. Namaluming na araming permis sa imong card. Kantahan na lang tika, uy. Ayaw lang pansin na ang yabag, ha? Yung nakulbaan ko.